Let's look at how to set up Single Touch Payroll in Xero. First, click Payroll from the navigation bar, then from the drop-down menu, select Single Touch Payroll. We begin on the opt-in screen. Take some time to read the information, and when you're ready, click Opt-in. The first step is to review your organization's details. Xero pulls this information directly from the organization settings you've already set up. If any of the business details are incorrect or missing, update them here. Once the details are correct, click Continue. The next step relates to employees' year-to-date payroll amounts. It's very important to note, if you've changed payroll software partway through a financial year, you must finalize your employees' year-to-date figures in the previous software first. Use the Xero Central article here to learn more about migrating to Xero. Tick the checkbox to set a reminder before you file, and then click Continue. The third step is to confirm who will be filing the STP. From the drop-down menu, you have two options, either as the business or as a tax agent. If you are filing as a tax agent, you'll need to enter a few extra details below. For this example, we'll choose to file as the business, then click Continue. The final step is to connect your Xero organization to the Australian Tax Office. You have two options to complete the first step of this connection. You can either call the number provided or use the ATO Access Manager. Once you make the phone call or log into the Access Manager, you'll then need to provide your software ID. Each software ID is unique and differs for each Xero organization. Once the connection is confirmed, tick the checkbox and click Register. Congratulations! You now know how to set up Single Touch Payroll in Xero.